The demolition of the old bridge commenced in June 2024, marking the beginning of a comprehensive redevelopment project. Prince Chowdhury reporting for Pune Times Mirror, live and exclusive, opposite St. Mira's College, Don Bosco School, and the South Main Road. Behind me is the old bridge which was demolished, and this new bridge has come up in its place. The old bridge, Sadhu Vaswani Bridge, was demolished sometime in 2024, and the new bridge was supposed to be completed somewhere in early 2026. This is a frequently used stretch by commuters, students, office goers, and public transport, making it one of the city's significant corridors. The closure and reconstruction of the old bridge have therefore had a noticeable impact on traffic movement, requiring motorists to use alternative routes and resulting in increased congestion in surrounding areas, and which takes much more time. The demolition of the old bridge commenced in June 2024, marking the beginning of a comprehensive redevelopment project. The new bridge is being designed with modern engineering standards, a greater number of lanes to allow more traffic, and provide improved structural strength, enhanced safety features, and greater mobility to accommodate more traffic demands. However, the construction has experienced several delays and glitches due to the need for multiple approvals and clearance, particularly from the Indian Railways, as the bridge crosses over railway tracks. In addition, traffic management challenges, utility relocations, and coordination among various government agencies have further delayed this piece of work. As a result, the originally anticipated deadline, which was expected by early 2026, has been repositioned. Despite these setbacks, PMC continues to promise the project because of the importance of Pune's urban business network. Once completed, the Sadhu Vaswani Bridge is expected to improve connectivity between Pune railway station and Nagar Road towards Sholapur Road and other areas, Vanodi. So this is a double carriageway bridge like most bridges, but it's much more wider than the earlier bridge. So traffic coming in from Sholapur Road, Vanodi, heading toward Nagar Road, and vice versa from Nagar Road towards Sholapur Road, Pune station, will be using this bridge. So because of the closure of this bridge, because of the demolition of the earlier bridge and the reconstruction of this bridge, all the traffic has been diverted through the Conrad Hotel, Naylor Road route, Nathan Road, which is right there. So because of this, there is huge congestion, traffic demands, but the PMC is positive that this bridge will be completed soon. And currently we can see that almost 50 to 60% of the bridge has been completed. You can see work being carried on. We are going to talk to Subrata Ghosh, who looks after the centering work on the bridge. He's going to tell us exactly how much time it is going to take, delay क्यों हुआ है और कितने टाइम में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा.
इसको ढीले नहीं है, अपना ज़्यादातर काम हो गया और थोड़ा 3 स्लैब का बाकी है. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगने वाला इसको.
नवंबर दिसंबर
अपना दिसंबर तक फाइनल हो जाएंगे, ऐसा चांसेस है.
तो ये जो वाटर पाइपलाइन का आप बात करें, उसका क्या मसला है? वाटर पाइपलाइन का वो कुछ,
हाँ, वो उसके लिए अपना को काम थोड़ा रुका था.
अच्छा,
अभी हुआ है, वो बाकी शिफ्ट करना बाकी सिर्फ.
अच्छा शिफ्ट करना बाकी है.
ऊपर का जो ट्रैक है,
अच्छा,
जो खाली पाइपलाइन है उसको सिर्फ शिफ्ट करना बाकी, वो भी हो जाएगा. अभी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है किसी.
अच्छा, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया, तो ये करीबन दिसंबर तक हो जाएगा.
नवंबर दिसंबर.
नवंबर दिसंबर. ओके. और ये इसका लेंथ कितना है? करीबन 175. So it's about 175 feet, या 175 मीटर. और जैसे घोष सर ने बताया और ये सर ने भी बताया कि वो पाइपलाइन का थोड़ा काम है, 3 स्लैब बाकी है और ये दिसंबर तक कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए. The PMC commissioner had also visited this spot, this bridge, and had assured that the bridge would be completed in a few months. But that doesn't seem to be the case. Now with the monsoons have set in, Work is still progressing, but it is going to take a little more time. Meanwhile, all commuters coming in from Nagar Road and Sholapur Road will have to use alternate routes, which causes a huge traffic jam and a lot of congestion, inconveniencing a lot of commuters. The PMC needs to get its act together and complete this bridge. There are several other bridges which also need to get completed and lying incomplete. We will take a look at that shortly. This is Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror from the newly being reconstructed Sadhu Vaswani Bridge opposite St. Mira's, Don Bosco and South Main Road with camera person Swapnil.